The Ministry of Health, Wellness and Nutrition, in collaboration with Hand Help Inc., will be hosting the second hand surgery mission in Saint Lucia from March 29th to April 2nd, 2026. The mission will be held at the Millennium Heights Medical Complex and the St. Jude Hospital. Hand Help Inc. is a charitable organization that provides hand surgery care to children and adults around the globe for the last 25 years. The team comprises of board-certified and licensed medical professionals, including plastic surgeons, orthopedic surgeons, pediatricians, anesthesiologists, hand therapists, nurses, and surgical technicians who volunteer to provide the service of hand surgery. They also provide all the necessary medical supplies and surgical equipment for the mission. The services that will be provided free of charge to the public includes the management of the entire spectrum of hand and upper extremity pathologies in children and adults, including soft tissue and bone injuries, congenital anomalies, nerve palsies, burns, elective surgeries for hand conditions such as carpal tunnel syndrome, trigger fingers, and carpometacarpal arthritis. Medical education and training for clinical staff will also be an important component of the mission. Persons who would like to be seen, reviewed, and treated by the Hand Help Medical Surgical team should go to the nearest public health facility, whether it be the wellness centers, the polyclinics, or the community hospitals, during the scheduled medical clinics for an initial assessment and registration from Monday, February 9th, 2026 to Friday, March 6th, 2026. Private practitioners may also refer patients for management by the Hand Help Inc. utilizing the registration form that has been made available. Completed forms should be submitted to the Office of the Chief Medical Officer by Monday, March 9th, 2026. All persons registered are required to be reviewed and scheduled by the Hand Help Medical Surgical team on Sunday, March 29th, 2026 at the Owen King EU Hospital from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. or the St. Jude Hospital from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Walk-ins and persons who received surgical interventions last year who would like to be reviewed will also be seen and scheduled on that day. The Millennium Heights Medical Complex will be hosting patient assessment and registration clinics for the mission on February 19th and 26th and March 5th, 2026 at the outpatient clinic. The St. Jude Hospital will also be hosting similar clinics on February 17th and 19th, 2026. Kindly walk with any diagnostic results or medical information during those visits. The local medical and surgical teams will work along the visiting medical team to ensure there is continuation of care after the mission. The Ministry of Health, Wellness and Nutrition advises the public with upper extremities or hand-related health concerns to take full advantage of this opportunity for specialist care. For further information or clarification, contact the Office of the Chief Medical Officer at telephone number 486-5386.